Rich.
I would say it's great. It's already ready to be made into a movie.
Yeah, that would be an easy one.
Carry the title over,
Yeah.
right. Well, weather-wise around here, it was an interesting day yesterday. We had that kind of rain-snow mix early, and then it all retracted its way back towards the coast and sat there through much of the day yesterday. And as I was saying earlier, I looked out at one point yesterday and could see Mount Baker totally covered in snow under blue skies and brilliant sunshine sitting under a cloud deck here in Seattle, which stayed that way through much of the day. And it finally started moving a little after midnight, and now it's moving pretty quickly. You can see the back edge of that front rotating up to the north right now, coming out of that low, which is starting to work its way inland. But you can see starting to dry out there along that I-5 corridor from Olympia on up to just about into the Seattle area. It's still a little ways away from being dried out there, but we're just switching over to off and on showers at this point. Those will pick up a little bit this afternoon as we get a little bit of a convergence zone from about Seattle to Everett. Checking winds, we did have some gusty winds near the foothills overnight, but those maximum wind gusts all around midnight or the wee small hours, and so they're starting to tail back right now with that front moving on through. Checking the view there in Everett, wet looking morning starting off with Everett. The raindrops on the camera lens and a wet morning out at SeaTac, though drying at this point. Now that front's kind of zipped through there. Still waiting for that to happen up around Bellingham. It probably won't move through the Bellingham area until about 9 or 10 o'clock this morning. So that steady rain just kind of getting underway up there in Whatcom and Skagit counties at this point. And in Tacoma, where they've dried out a little bit, you can see not a whole lot going on at this point, just the cloudy skies. Temperatures mostly upper 30s and low 40s, so quite a bit warmer than it has been lately. And so we're not dealing with anything even faintly looking like lowland snow, which is a pleasant change. Checking the satellite image, you can see this low is slowly starting to work its way inland. That's going to move on to the east of us. Some showery air over us today. And then over the weekend, there'll be some off and on showers tomorrow mixed in with some sunshine. And right now, it looks like Sunday pretty much dry during the daytime with the rain holding off until probably late evening or early on Monday morning, it looks like, but it is going to be a wet start to the work week next week. Take a look at the mountain passes. No problems at all. Basically, snow tires advised for the passes, the exception being White Pass, which has snow tires required this morning. Our mountain forecast does call for snow at times today. We'll pick up about 3 to 6 inches between now and tomorrow morning, maybe a little bit more wherever that convergence zone settles out. Temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s, and that snow level around 1,500 to 2,000 feet. Here in the lowlands, a little bit of steady rain early, then quickly switching over to off and on showers, mixed in with some sun breaks this afternoon. Mid to upper 40s. Partly sunny with some off and on showers tomorrow. We'll look for a partly sunny day Sunday, and then look for rain moving in Sunday night. Don't forget to spring forward early Sunday morning. Rainy day Monday, a few showers Tuesday, and a few showers Wednesday. Partly sunny Thursday. Warmer midweek, though, with highs in the low to mid 50s.
Thank you, Rich.